Welcome back to my channel. I am fashionably grateful, and today we're diving into a Kurt Geiger shoe haul straight from Dillard's. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Every shoe that I show you will be linked in the shopping bag on the screen, so you won't miss a thing. Kurt Geiger shoes are known for being bold, colorful, and full of personality. When you walk through the display, you immediately feel that burst of energy that sets them apart from other designers. What makes Kurt Geiger stand out is the way the shoes carry this balance between luxury and playfulness. They're designer, but they're fun, and that combination keeps them fresh season after season. The use of bright colors is what truly defines the Kurt Geiger brand. You'll see shades that instantly catch your eye, from jewel tones to unexpected pops of neon, all styled in ways that feel glamorous. Walking through Dillard's, the Kurt Geiger section feels like a burst of creativity. No matter the style of shoe, the designs are artistic and expressive, giving off that look-at-me vibe without being overdone. What's special about this brand is the confidence it brings to the person wearing the shoes. The colors, textures, and patterns aren't shy. They're bold, and that boldness carries into how you feel when you step into them. Kurt Geiger doesn't just follow trends, they elevate them. You'll notice playful designs that transform a simple silhouette into something unique and eye-catching. A signature quality of Kurt Geiger shoes is that they can instantly turn a plain outfit into a statement look. Throw on jeans and a tee, add these shoes, and suddenly the outfit feels runway ready. The designs are full of luxury details, from shimmer and shine to unexpected embellishments, all of which add to that glamorous personality that makes the shoes unforgettable. You'll also notice that Kurt Geiger shoes are versatile within their boldness. Some pairs are perfect for a night out, while others can easily be styled for daytime outings with the right outfit. Dillard's does an amazing job showcasing the shoes so you can really see how the colors and designs stand out against the rest of the department. The display itself feels like a fashion moment. There's something about Kurt Geiger's color combinations that feels almost artistic, like each shoe could be its own piece of artwork. That's what makes them so fun to look at and collect. Even if you're someone who normally sticks to neutrals, Kurt Geiger shoes can tempt you to step outside of your comfort zone. That's the magic of the brand. They make color feel approachable and wearable. The textures are another strong element. Whether it's glossy finishes, matte tones, or mixed materials, the shoes always have a luxurious feel in hand and on foot. Every Kurt Geiger shoe feels intentional. There's a thought process behind the design, and that thought process centers around joy, confidence, and standing out. One of the things I appreciate most is how these shoes make you feel glamorous, even without having to go over the top with your outfit. The shoes do the talking. When I look at Kurt Geiger shoes, I think about the statement they create in photos. These shoes photograph beautifully, and they're definitely made for moments that you want to capture. The boldness of the colors means they can work year-round. Brights for spring and summer, jewel tones for fall and winter, Kurt Geiger really does span all seasons with their palette. Another thing to note is how these shoes fit into the larger world of luxury footwear. They bring something different to the table compared to more traditional luxury brands. While other designers might focus on minimalism, Kurt Geiger embraces maximalism in a way that feels chic and elevated, never overwhelming. This is a brand that thrives on being noticed. These shoes are conversation starters, the kind that make people stop and ask where you got them. In fashion, shoes are often considered the exclamation point of an outfit. With Kurt Geiger, that exclamation point is in bold, colorful ink. The shoes are also playful. There's a sense of fun in every design that reminds you fashion doesn't have to be too serious. It can be expressive and joyful. The variety within the collection means there's truly something for everyone, whether you like subtle elegance with a splash of color or all-out statement pieces. Even the way the shoes are displayed in Dillard's feels intentional. You see that mix of artistry and accessibility, which is part of why this brand continues to grow in popularity. What I find interesting about Kurt Geiger is how the shoes can appeal to both younger trendsetters and more mature shoppers who want something bold and different. These shoes aren't just fashion pieces, they're confidence boosters. You step into them and immediately feel like you own the room. The use of embellishments, shine, and color blocking sets the shoes apart in a crowded fashion market. They have a signature style that can't be mistaken for anyone else. Kurt Geiger shoes also hold their own next to other luxury brands. They don't fade into the background. They demand attention in the best way. For anyone who loves shoes, this is a brand worth exploring because it feels like a collection of mini works of art for your wardrobe. And that's what makes this haul so exciting. Getting to share the energy, the colors, and the style that Kurt Geiger brings into the shoe world. I can talk to you about shoes all day, but now I want to get into the bags, because Kurt Geiger has truly created some of the most eye-catching handbags in the fashion world. These aren't your typical everyday bags. They're vibrant, expressive, and full of those statement-making details that instantly grab attention. When you see a Kurt Geiger bag, you know it right away, because the colors, textures, and embellishments stand out in a crowd. They're bags that don't just blend into your wardrobe, they create a whole moment. Each design feels like an invitation to have fun with fashion in a bold, unapologetic way. What really makes Kurt Geiger bags stand out is their fearless use of color, which mirrors the vibrancy of their shoes. Just like the heels, the bags are never shy or understated. You'll see rainbow gradients, ombre effects, metallic finishes, and bold shades that seem to glow under the light. The brand knows how to play with saturation, often creating bags that look like art pieces more than accessories. Carrying one feels like carrying a piece of joy, and that's what makes them irresistible to so many fashion lovers. The embellishments are another signature of the brand, and they are never minimal. From sparkling crystals to glossy studs, each bag has that extra touch of glamour that elevates it beyond a simple accessory. These aren't bags that are just functional. They're meant to be admired, complimented, and remembered. You'll often see hardware treated almost like jewelry, which makes the bags feel even more special. The more you look at a Kurt Geiger bag, the more details you discover. Many of the Kurt Geiger bags feature playful tassels that swing with every movement, adding texture and fun to each design. These tassels are often oversized, colorful, or metallic, making them stand out even more. They're the kind of detail that turns a bag into a conversation starter. Every step you take feels more dynamic when the tassels sway. It's a small but powerful design choice that adds motion and flair. The 3D flowers are a standout element that makes certain Kurt Geiger bags unforgettable. These aren't flat or printed florals. They bloom right off the surface of the bag. The petals create a sense of texture and depth, giving each bag a sculptural quality. Wearing one of these feels like carrying a little piece of a garden with you. They add a whimsical, feminine touch without ever feeling ordinary. Equally iconic is the 3D eagle head that has become a signature across the brand's handbags. This eagle hardware is bold and dramatic, often shimmering in metallic tones or covered in crystals. It's not just a logo, it's a statement piece all on its own. The eagle commands attention, symbolizing strength and individuality. It's the detail that makes people immediately recognize a Kurt Geiger bag. The Kensington bag is one of the most recognizable designs, and for good reason. With its quilted leather, chain strap, and bold eagle embellishment, it blends timeless structure with modern drama. It's a bag that works for day or night, making it incredibly versatile. You can dress it up for a night out, or pair it with jeans for a chic daytime look. It's a piece that feels luxurious, but still playful. Then there's the Q bag, which has a slightly different structure and is often seen in bright colorways or bold embellishments. The Q leans into playfulness with more experimental textures and designs. It's not afraid to stand out with sequins, glitter, or unexpected patterns. This bag is perfect for someone who loves fashion as a form of self-expression. It's the type of piece that brings a smile to your face the second you pick it up. The Chelsea bag is another crowd favorite, and it takes a more classic silhouette but transforms it with bold details. You might see it in glittery finishes, metallic colors, or quilted textures, always paired with that unmistakable eagle hardware. It's the kind of bag that feels timeless at its core, but still manages to feel fashion-forward. The Chelsea works across seasons and trends, which makes it a great investment. Even the most subtle versions are instantly recognizable. Kurt Geiger also plays with size in ways that keep their collections interesting. Mini Kensingtons are small and chic, perfect for nights out when you only need your essentials. At the same time, there are oversized totes that are practical, but still filled with bold energy. No matter what size you choose, you're getting a bag that feels special. That variety makes the brand appealing to such a wide range of shoppers. Texture is another key factor in Kurt Geiger's designs. You'll find quilted patterns, metallic leathers, sequined fabrics, and even faux fur or beaded finishes. Each texture adds another layer of richness and dimension to the bag. It's what makes them feel like more than just handbags. They're tactile experiences. You don't just carry them, you interact with them. Another signature design element is the rainbow motif, which has become iconic for the brand. Whether it's stripes, sequins, or ombre patterns, the rainbow look is always present in some form. It represents inclusivity, optimism, and joy. Fans instantly recognize a rainbow Kurt Geiger bag, and it's become a collectible item for many. These rainbow designs are bold, but they're also timeless in their own way. The clutches are also worth mentioning because they take embellishment to the next level. Many Kurt Geiger clutches are covered in crystals, beads, or sequins, making them feel like little jewelry boxes. They're perfect for evening events or parties where you want something small but dramatic. These clutches are often conversation starters, just like the larger bags. They prove that even a tiny accessory can make a huge impact. Even when the brand creates more subtle designs, they never lose their identity. A black quilted bag from Kurt Geiger still has quilting, bold hardware, or metallic accents that set it apart. It's never just plain or ordinary. That balance between subtlety and flair is what makes the brand so unique. You can tone it down, but it never disappears completely. The brand also experiments with mixing materials in ways that feel innovative. You might see metallic leather paired with matte quilting, or sequins combined with patent finishes. These combinations keep the bags fresh and exciting season after season. It's what makes each collection feel new without losing the Kurt Geiger DNA. That kind of consistency is rare in fashion, and it's part of why fans keep coming back. For people who love fashion but don't want it to feel too serious, Kurt Geiger bags are the perfect fit. They're luxury items, but they're playful at the same time. Carrying one feels like carrying confidence. They remind you that fashion should be fun and expressive, not just practical. That philosophy shines through in every design. The oversized embellishments are part of what makes the bag so memorable. From metallic tassels to oversized studs, these bold choices make each bag feel larger than life. They're accessories that demand to be noticed. When you carry one, you don't need much else to make your outfit pop. The bag becomes the centerpiece. Each new collection builds on the last, but always brings in something fresh. Sometimes it's a new twist on the eagle head, other times it's a new take on rainbow patterns or fresh textures. The brand doesn't recycle ideas, it reinvents them. That's why there's always excitement when a new season launches. Fans know they'll get something familiar, but brand new at the same time. The rainbow bags in particular have taken on an iconic status. Whether in sequins, leather stripes, or glitter, they feel optimistic and full of life. They've become signature pieces for the brand and are loved by collectors everywhere. A rainbow Kurt Geiger bag isn't just an accessory, it's a statement of individuality. It says you're not afraid to stand out. The eagle hardware is another element that keeps evolving. Sometimes it's crystal-studded, other times metallic or oversized, but it always commands attention. It's more than just a logo, it's a piece of art. The eagle represents the strength and boldness of the brand. No matter what form it takes, it's always striking. Crossbody bags are also a strong point for Kurt Geiger. They're practical for everyday use, but the colors and embellishments make them stand out from ordinary crossbodies. They're easy to carry, versatile, and always stylish. They work just as well for casual days as they do for nights out. That kind of flexibility is part of their appeal. For people who love extra drama, Kurt Geiger offers bags that are heavily embellished with sequins, beads, and crystals. These are the kinds of bags that look like wearable works of art. They shine under lights and instantly make any outfit more glamorous. They're bold choices, but that's exactly what makes them so special. Wearing one feels like making a statement without saying a word. Even minimalists can find something they love within the collection. Some Kensingtons or Chelseas come in muted tones like beige, gray, or black, but they still carry the brand's DNA. Quilting, eagle hardware, or subtle metallic accents ensure they're never boring. These options give people variety without losing the brand's edge. They're perfect for those who want style without too much flash. The variety across the Kurt Geiger handbag collection means there truly is something for everyone. Whether you love bold rainbow patterns, sparkling embellishments, or sleek leather finishes, the brand has it all. Their bags appeal to people who see fashion as fun, but also to those who want timeless structure with just a touch of flair. That ability to cater to so many tastes is rare in the luxury market. It's what keeps their fan base growing year after year. Kurt Geiger bags are more than just accessories. They're personality statements. Each one tells a story, whether it's through its colors, textures, or embellishments. They remind you that a bag can be more than functional. It can be expressive. Carrying one feels like stepping into your boldest self. And that's exactly why these bags continue to capture the hearts of fashion lovers everywhere. Thank y'all so much for watching my Kurt Geiger shoe haul at Dillard's. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check the shopping bag on the screen for every shoe I featured. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for supporting my channel.